What's good, people? It's your boy Ghost, Off Track TV. Damn, it's bright. It's about a good 16 degrees out. Flipping hell. It's a good day. A good day indeed. Blaze is coming round today. He just got back yesterday. It's gonna be a good day, man. What we're gonna do is, he doesn't know that I have a ZX6R yet. He has no idea. I'm on a swing, by the way. That's what we're rocking so much. He doesn't know that I have the ZX6R yet. He thinks that it's an LXS that I got from my dealer, just to ride around for a week or so. He has no idea. So we're gonna surprise him today. I think he's about 10 minutes down the road now. Very close to me right now. Yeah, about 10 minutes away. Ooh, about 5 minutes away now. So we're gonna wait here till he gets here, and we're gonna surprise him. So I'll see you in a bit. Look at him. Look at him right there. Man like. My guy. What are you telling me?
You headbutted me in your helmet.
I'm sorry. What are you saying, bro? Hey, we're really back. We're really doing this, fam. Yes, it's recording, big man. Of course it's recorded.
I wanted to kiss you, but you got a helmet.
You're gay, fam. Oh shit. Always, bro. Yeah. Always. Come on, man. Look at you, fam. Looking fresh, yeah? I see you, fam. I see you. Bro. Why are you wearing so much layers?
Well, I'm about to go to fight.
So?
Hold me.
So you want to do the honours? She's yours for the week, fam. You want to do the honours? She's yours for the week. Go on. My baby, fam. I'm giving her up.
You are. I'm actually really surprised that you're doing this.
Man, the front tire might need a bit of pumping, you know. Looks a bit flat, a teeny bit. That might be right. Look at her. I miss her already and she hasn't even left yet.
Huh?
I miss her already and she hasn't even left yet. Yeah. So what are you saying, man? How you finding London again?
You know what, honestly, it's a shithole. But it's like, I was having a chat with an Uber driver.
Yeah.
It's like there's a beauty to this madness.
Yeah, yeah. Because you're not living in it no more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when I can come out, I can appreciate it a little bit. Especially the roads. Like, roads.
There's actually orders to the roads as well, fam. Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, I feel that feels good.
Is the red light blinking?
Yeah.
Is it?
What's that thing on the front though?
What thing?
That lens.
Oh, I took the lens off because it's the lens that's causing the blur.
What are you saying?
Yeah, I'm good, fam. I'm great. I'm gonna try out this LXS and see what it's like for the first. I ain't ridden it yet because I got the guy to deliver it last night. And my dad took it, put it up for me. Yeah. So fuck's sake. Yeah, we can go somewhere around the corner, innit? Give you a little bit of practice, yeah.
Where Sam get battered?
This guy. How was the match, man?
Bro, when not just the match, yeah, but like
the
atmosphere.
Yeah.
Like everything, bro. Like how happy my dad. Watch when you see the GoPro vids. Like,
yeah.
Happy, man.
Yeah, I can't wait to see that video. That was sick.
It was sick, bro. Like, and the win was just a bonus. Like the day in general, because I haven't seen my godfather in a while. I haven't gone to a game with Elliot since 2019. Oh so, shit! Like, to see, it was just guys.
The atmosphere and everything.
Yeah, and then being like Elliot said, he was like, mate, 24 hours ago you was in Cyprus, now you're at Tottenham.
You know what I'm saying?
I was like,
it's insane, isn't it? Man's out here travelling the world.
Yeah. And then on the 25th, I've got the skywalk. Like,
oh yeah, you're gonna do that. Yeah. What's that about? So what?
So like you can walk on the top of the stadium.
Yeah.
With the skywalk, the Dare skywalk.
Okay.
And my friend Tash, he works at the Tottenham Stadium. He booked that for me for my birthday.
Let's start with the front, fam. Let's see what it's saying. It's got double disc like the thing as well, fam.
Huh? Hey, the colour's nice. Kawasaki.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Yo. Bro, I did it. I did it. Yo. I said Kawasaki. Oh shit, look at the back. Ah, let's go, fam. Let's go. I was trying to low-key hint at things to you, fam, but you didn't get it. Yo, believe this. Believe it, bro.
How is it smaller than that?
Oh, it's about the same size. It looks a bit smaller, but it's about the same size.
Bro, how much you pay for this, bro?
This, it came with it. The performance package, yeah.
Man,
Yeah.
you must be lovely.
Woo!
You wouldn't have, of course you are.
When I went out with Hugo the other day, I had this since Thursday, innit?
You dickhead.
When I went with Hugo the other day to Ace Caf, I missed him going up because I was too late, but we're coming back together with some other guys as well. We're blowing down the flipping aerials, bro. I hit 100 miles an hour.
Did you?
100, bro. When you get to like 8,000 RPM, it takes off.
God, bro.
Yo.
Fucking yo, dickhead.
You're next. You know how hard it was to hide this? Do you know how hard it was? Oh my god.
Wow.
And do the honors.
Huh?
And do the honors.
Yeah. You're joking me.
Turn it all. A thing of beauty, mate. A thing of beauty. Oh my god. Bro, it blows. It blows. It blows. Trust me. Trust me.
Take that out.
Nah, yeah, I want to move that as well. I want to move that. He's in love. It's not even his. Woo. We made it. We made it.
You made it. This is really you, bro.
Bro, you're part of this, man. You're part of this.
Oh my god, you said, oh yeah, I got the LXS. I'm watching LXS videos.
Oh, say swear. We got him. We got him real good.
Good, man. You got me good.
Oh snap.
You know why? It's because I said to him, when you get the bike and you tell me, I'm not talking to you for a you know? So he had to do it like this.
Oh, had to. Did you see the license plate as well? You already know what I did. You already know what I did. You already know what I did. Hey.
You know, there's no one else on this planet as happy for you as you right now. You know that.
Fam,
like,
trust me. You have no idea.
happy for you, bro.
You have no idea.
one understands, but like, we literally spoke about this.
We've been speaking about this for ages. Before the channel, bro. Before the channel was even created. It's mad.
Before we even met up properly, we just keep talking about this.
Yeah, man.
Blacked out.
Yeah, of course. I'm not sure if I want it completely blacked out or just a little bit. Just get it smoked.
Mad.
Ah, so you're saying you want to go up there, do a little bit of practice?
Yeah, for sure. Not on this.
No, on the LX.
What year is it?
2020.
And you lowered it?
Nah,
Yeah,
I left it. It's more or less the same as the LXR, bro.
It feels low.
Is it? It feels the same to me. It feels the same. It's an inch taller, but it feels the same.
Beautiful, bro.
Alright, let's get cracking, bro. This thing turns like a tank, you know. It turns worse than LXR. So no more like automatic U-turns, fam. Like this thing, look at the turning circle, bro. That's it. Yeah. Huh? You can either just come off of it and pull it down. That's probably the best way. Let's go. How are you feeling with the clutch? You good, yeah? How are you feeling with the clutch? You good, yeah? Because the clutch on this is like a little bit out, and the one on that is like all the way fucking out, bro. So when I rode it yesterday for the video, imagine it's feeling bare weird. I'm like, fuck. Ready, yeah? Ready, yeah? And there you guys have it. You've seen the bike now. He knows what it's capable of. and he's on my bike. Ain't this grand? It is, isn't it? It is. Don't worry, man, we're just going down the road anyway. What you saying for filtering? You good, yeah? No? Alright, cool. Oh, I hate this way. Oh, if there was another place to go, I would have went there instead. Jeez, man. Come on, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Man, my back is beautiful, you know. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at the indicators, the swaying. Oh, is that what I look like on my bike? Oh shit. You good, yeah? I want to hit a cheeky little. How do you feel? Yeah, one thing you need to know, yeah, when you use the back brake, don't use it for turns because of the combined braking system. It will pull the front brake as well, so when you go to turn, you just end up trying to almost falling over, you get me? None, bro, none. Or just a teeny bit of front, teeny bit. Because on this bike, the front brake is worse than the rear. No, not ABS, bro. Not on that, not on that, no. No, not on that. On this, yeah. This thing, yo, this thing absolutely drinks petrol. You know that. I filled her up like 4 times already. I filled her up 4 times already and I got a Thursday. 4. little bit, teeny bit, a little bit. It's in low power mode as well. I haven't taken it out. Yeah, yeah.
How do I look on this bike, though?
You look sick, bro. Yeah. Yeah. I'll show you the footage later on, fam.
Yeah, I'm a little bit nervous. I'm nervous.
Yeah, you'll be fine, you'll be fine. Well, yeah, like I said before, just get a spanner and pull this out. Just leave it to like get leverage and pull it just out a little bit because it is in. Yeah, so but just get used to that clutch, get used to some turns and that. What do you mean? Yeah, first or second, depending on what's in front of you.
And I won't really need to go above 3, will I?
In London, yeah, because it depends. If you follow the speed limit, then yeah, I guess so.
I would be lying if I said I wasn't nervous.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I was nervous as well, fam. You just gotta do it. You know what I'm saying? There you go. Man like the scooter boy, fam. I said man like the scooter boy. That's all right. There you go. He's not bad. He's not bad at all. Yeah, man, just practice stopping and using that back brake, because when that back brake is sharp, I mean, just press it a little bit. Yeah, yeah. You've got to pull in the clutch because it's not usual to you. How's that? Yeah, practice some tight turns. Remember, when you're turning on the bike, you need to give it a little bit more, just a teeny bit more than you usually give it. Yeah. So full lock it left, and then yeah, I know. That's the thing with it. The main thing you have to get used to is how heavy it is. Not bad, is he? He's not bad at all. I said you're not bad at all. I think for just normal driving on the roads you'll be fine. Yeah, just don't do anything that you're not comfortable doing, innit? Don't feel pressure to filter either. Yeah, definitely. That's beautiful, that is. Man's in all black, on the all black LXR. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's really sharp. That's like you press it, nothing happens for a second, and then all of a sudden, woof. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, that little pop. I feel like a father teaching his son how to ride. Yeah, man. Proud of you. Come such a long way. Alright, people, you've seen the thing now. He's seen the thing now. Reveal video coming soon. Well, by the time you see this, the reveal video will probably be out. So I guess it's after now. Yeah. So we'll see you together, both riding, doing our thing. We need to arrange something with a couple of our subs. Yeah, yeah, on Friday. He's free on Friday, so Friday, you want to do that? I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, I've been your boy Ghost. Man like Blaze, he's back. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We're out. Love.